Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to download HappyMod on iOS, iPhone or iPad. So the steps are really easy and simple, so now let's get started. Start by opening up your settings, go to General, scroll all the way down to this background app, refresh and make sure it is turned on. Once you're done, start by opening up any kind of browser. Personally, I am using Safari, and here you just have to search for happymod.com and go for their official website. So once you are here, you just have to click on this download button, click on download again, and as you can see it has started downloading. So once you have downloaded this, you just have to open up your settings again, go to General, go for VPN and device management, and here there will be your configuration profile. So you just have to tap on HappyMod. So right now it is not available on my device, so you just have to tap on that, and after that you have to simply install that particular profile. Once you are done, HappyMod will be downloaded on your device successfully. So I hope this video will help you out. This is how to download HappyMod on iOS, iPhone or iPad. Hope this helped. Make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the like button. See you in the next video.